On our way to Lesotho, we've visited two national parks, the Addo Elephant Park and the Mountain Zebra Park. So many visitors, like in the Addo Park, we haven't seen so far. Luckily, there was enough space left for the elephants. The elephants of the park you can really see at every turn. This lone wolf, an elderly bull, we have observed quite close around the corner of the lodge. Heading towards the gate, we pass this waterhole with quite a big family group. The little ones are always well guarded and protected with the whole body. The waterhole was quite dry. Accordingly, the scrub for the last drops of water with the trunks was quite intense. Mummy Warthog has found a wonderful mud hollow for her and her little ones. Just lovely, such a mud bath. And these boys and girls are obviously searching for food fervently. Addo comes up with a huge amount of water buffaloes along with the elephants. These animals are not only looking primeval, but watching them point blank, they are really frighteningly huge. They like to stroll around in quite big family groups. The old bulls prefer, though, to be on the move on their own. They separate themselves as soon as they don't have the strength anymore to follow the group. An important element of the skin care is the daily mud bath. That protects, at least for a short time, as well against the annoying punkies. In the later afternoon, there's also enough time to philander the lovely buffalo girls. Or rather have a bunch of grass. Somehow it seems this becomes a video about gormandizing. Really everybody, the little ground squirrels here as well, seems to be very busy overindulging themselves with some goodies. And finally we saw the mountain zebras, which gave the name to this national park. The differences to the other zebras are considerably clear. The mountain zebras have, for example, a skin flap at their throat, and the black stripes are covering the entire leg, down to the hooves. Though the basic design is of course the same, and we think both varieties are very appealing.